Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can remove the water stain on the fabric chair, especially the white fabric. Now what I have here is a spray bottle, consists of 1 part mix of vinegar and 1 part of water. So we're going to use vinegar and water and mix it up in a spray bottle. Now after that, give it a light spray on the chair where you have the stain, and then simply blot it off, or you can rub back and forth gently. So just rub on the part where you have the stain, and then allow the chair to dry off after you have removed the stain. Now depending on how big the spot is, you might need to spray more or less. And once the chair has dried off, you can see the stain is removed. Now if the stain does not remove completely, you might want to give it a second try. So allow it to dry off and then try it again. And another solution is to use the carpet cleaner. I find the carpet cleaner also helps removing stain on a fabric chair, especially a white chair. So basically you put this carpet cleaner into a spray bottle, and again very similar to the salt and similar to the vinegar and the water, you spray onto the chair and then you blot it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.